childish. I've been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major. Because I got all the trumpets.
Hey man, it's your boy that Mopar Beats back with another video. Before I say anything, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Before I even do anything with the video, you know what I'm saying, make sure y'all go down right now and hit the subscribe button. On the road to 3K, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, just do that for me. That's all I ask, man. Just hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what y'all think about the video and what kind of other videos y'all like to see. But I ain't gonna talk too much. Finna get straight into it. I'm excited today. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. So as y'all can tell by the title, y'all already know what's going on. But I'm finna start putting on my rap. Yes, I put my raps on myself. You know what I'm saying? This one, I'm gonna do this part myself, and then I may, you know what I'm saying, get professional help on the other part. Or I still might just do it. It's cheaper either way if I do it. So, you know what I'm saying? A better way to save money, why not? So anyway, man, like I say, man, make sure y'all just like the video, subscribe, my bad, comment. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think, man. And help your boy get to 3K, man. I'm trying to get to 3K. Help me get there. We're finna get right. I'm finna show y'all. You know what I'm saying? By me putting my rap on. I ain't gonna record everything. I'm putting a rap on. That's kind of a good process. That's a lot of camera footage just to be recording and watching. But I'll show a little bit. I'll stop here and there, show y'all little tips and tricks or whatever. Just showing y'all that me putting it on. I'm gonna put it in the garage right here. I'm gonna get y'all a little B-roll action in that cold start. We're gonna get right into it, man. I'll be back. Peace. Well, as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, I got Olivia in the garage right now. Right now, just not drying it, but wiping a little slight dust off. I said dust, I meant dirt. But slight dust off, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna get the alcohol, and I'm gonna really wipe and get these little marks off, any kind of dirt, or bugs, or something like that. Then do all that, then we're gonna get straight into it, man. So, once I start getting started on this halfway through, it should be a little bit easier because I did my last rap, so I know what to do and, like, you know, how much play I got, you know what I'm saying? So, and it's bigger pieces, so it should be easier instead of like little bitty pieces, bigger pieces. I think the trunk is the easiest part to me though. Y'all let me know if y'all think the trunk the easiest part. For the trunk, like, you know what I'm saying, it's just flat and it's kind of small. There ain't no curve, nothing. Just all thing you gotta worry about is taping it, you know what I'm saying? I mean tucking it. And the roof, I still want to do the roof, but the only thing I worry about is the antenna, you know what I'm saying? The antenna, but everything is pretty smooth, but I'm just worried about the antenna. I found a way to take it out, but I don't know. My bad. I don't know if I'm gonna, where that came from? But I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not. So yeah, but either way it go, man, it's gonna be hard. Y'all let me know, you know what I'm saying? That thing gonna be stupid, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wrap the roof, trunk, and I keep saying that. Hood, roof, and trunk, you know what I'm saying? But most likely, depending on how the roof goes, I'm gonna wrap the hood and the trunk for sure. So you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know which one y'all think. Should I do just the hood? Should I do the hood and the trunk? Or should I do just the hood and the roof? No trunk? Y'all let me know. But either way it go, man, getting did, because everything gonna make it look aggressive with this triple nickel thing, man. That triple nickel thing, you feel me? So I'm gonna stop all the talking. I'm gonna get straight into it, turn my little baby on. You know what I'm saying? My favorite rapper. I'm gonna turn that little baby and go crazy, you feel me? So I'll be back. Peace. Shout out to my boy, man. What's up? No, I had to put a little clip in on recording that day. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't never seen a bike. No, I was gonna say something dumb. But that mother like a Chrysler on the front of that bitch. It been like a Chrysler.
They got Bluetooth navigation.
That's what I'm saying. I seen it right here. They got leather seats with the Alcantara on that motherfucker.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah.
That's the progress so far. You know, a lot of trunk. The trunk looking good. I had it messed up, man. And this right here, it was supposed to be for the truck. I would have had so much extra slack. This big old piece balled up now, but I was trying to take it off. I'm gonna take the paper off, and that motherfucking, man, like, it was creasing, and yeah, want to get stuck together, and I was so blown, but anyway, the back looked good. Ain't gonna lie, the trunk looks smooth, man. Trunk looks smooth. Y'all see what I'm coming with, you know. Usually I wait till it's over to show the whole car, but you know, that's a perfect video. Anyway, end of tonight's video. I might edit most of the stuff I ain't going, but you know, go to the hood, you know, after I done taped it off or did whatever, even with my imperfections, you know, it overall still look good, you feel me? I'm finna do the roof next. That's all I got left. It's literally all I got left. And it's barely making. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do about the antenna, but I know I can take it off, but I don't feel like messing nothing up. I'm finna see what I can, you know what I'm saying, what I can do, man. So y'all pray for your boy.
2 hours later.
Oh man, y'all know if I come on the camera like this, you already know what that means. Nigga been out here all day, man, all day. I can't even get my car how I want it. Basically, I ain't gonna say it ruined. It is ruined, but I don't know, man. Sorry for the bad energy, man. I'm just, bro, so blown. When you spend your time on a lot of stuff, or spend a lot of time on something, and then you get to the end of it and it don't want to work. Hey, man. I try to have good energy in the video, good positive energy, you know, but it is what it is, man. At the end of the day, it is what it is. So, I mean, I still wrapped the hood. I wrapped the hood in the trunk. Couldn't get the roof. I had just enough for the roof, bro. And then with the paper on there, and I took the paper off and it just wrap with the adhesive on the back. That junk won't stay in place. It keeps sticking. Then when you try to pull one side, the other side, both sticky sides get stuck together and they got a crease in it, or if it's like, what else? Like, it's just a lot, bro. It's so much. I'm really just through. I'm really just throw it off, blow. But I mean, the trunk came out good, you know what I'm saying? Out of everything, the trunk came out good, you know. Trunk look smooth, hood look smooth, besides the little defects he got, but I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm finna show y'all the camera. I got bad energy, bro. I hate getting on YouTube with bad energy, or like being so like this. But man, I gotta show y'all the real, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna fake it and be like, oh, the car lit. No, it's not lit, not in my eyes, man, but I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all, you know what I'm saying? So y'all just let me know what y'all think in the comments. Should I leave it like it is, or should I still wrap the roof? Cause I wanted to wrap the roof anyway, but I don't know. I guess I had to buy some more wrap, cause that was the last little wrap I had. So anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. Y'all let me know. Sorry about the light. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man, in the comments. Should I leave it or should I do what I was gonna do in the first place? So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Peace. This is it, you know what I'm saying? Matte black on the trunk. Trunk pretty smooth. Ain't too many defects in it. Roof still the same. And then the hood, you know, finally trimmed it up, so you know, look a little better. But yeah, I trimmed it up, you know what I'm saying? So slight, man. I wanted the whole thing, but on my purpose, but yeah, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, man, but you got the trunk wrap black, you know what I'm saying? Everything else still silver. You know, so y'all just let me know what y'all think. You know, it's still kind of smooth to me. It's just I just hate when I spend money on something, you know what I'm saying, to do everything I want to do and I can't do it, you know what I'm saying? Then I gotta wait again, so. But yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all think, man. This is my wrap for somewhat, you know what I'm saying? Start of a wrap. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna wrap the rest of the car in another color. I don't know what yet. Y'all just let me know. This a whole another day. But I just want to add the clip in this y'all can see in the daytime, man, you know. It's straight though, I ain't even counting. I'm like, that it's straight, you know what I'm saying? It don't look that bad from the naked eye, but on the camera. I mean, you know, I did the trunk good, pretty straight. I messed up right here on the edge, and not my fault. I really blow, so I just try to hurry up. But I'm on a tunnel, man. I wish I could have did the roof like I wanted to, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's straight though. So I just wanted to add this in the little clip. But yeah, so y'all just let me know What y'all think, man? I don't really know what to say, man. It's just, I don't really know what to say. It just, it is what it is, it seems like. So, I mean, it still came out alright. It made a little better, you know. Once I, like, you know, go in there, take a shower and stuff and chill out. Right now, I'm just aggravated, so everything right now just aggravating me. So, I think that's all that is. But overall, you know what I'm saying, I think I did a pretty good job still, just to be, you know, a person that don't do raps. And, dang, man, I hate that I'm so off on this video. But that's gonna be a wrap for the video, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Should I wrap the hood? Should I wrap the roof matte black like I got the rest of it, or should I leave it how it is and just do it like that? But either way it goes, I'm gonna have to get wrapped if I leave it like that, and then, you know what I'm saying, wrapping the hood color. But y'all just let me know down in the comments, man. Leave a like, you know what I'm saying, for your boy. Share the video, you know what I'm saying. Trying to get to 3K, roll to 3K, man. It's a little late outside, I ain't trying to talk too loud, nothing like that. But yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all think. Like I said at the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, push to get to it. You can do it, you know what I'm saying? Just keep that faith, trust the process, man. Trust the process, trust the process, trust the process. That's one thing I gotta work on more. I used to be, you know what I'm saying, okay with it, but I gotta get back on it, man. Trust the process, like with the YouTube, man. Trust the process. I gotta trust the process. Keep putting in work. Keep putting out these videos, man. I'm gonna get noticed. That's how I gotta think about it. I'm gonna get noticed sooner or later. Whether you notice me now or later, you know what I'm saying? My time coming. My time coming real soon, actually this year, you know what I'm saying? So it's coming. So I'm just waiting. I'm gonna keep doing my thing like I've been doing, maintaining, you know what I'm saying, until then. And once I go up, content really gonna be booming. Then I ain't gotta rap my own car no more. You know what I'm saying? I can just throw money in there and let somebody else rap. You know what I'm saying? But it feels good sometimes when you do stuff on your own. So it kind of make it, you know what I'm saying, more special. And I don't know, it just make you feel better, you know what I'm saying? When you do it yourself, you be like, dang, I did that. I made my car look like that. You know what I'm saying? Like my last rap, I made my car look like that on my own, my 2 bare hands, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I ain't trying to make the video too long. You make sure y'all stay tuned. Leave a comment, let me know what y'all think, or what I should do next, and what video should I do next. And also, like I said in all the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.